Good morning, class 1. So, class 1, hope you all are fine, children. So, class 1, last week we have done a topic from chapter 5, that is computer mouse. Okay, so today we are going to continue with the same chapter. So, what I have taught you in the last class, so we are going to see, okay, preview of the last topics. So, what I have taught you in the last class, that computer mouse is very important part of a computer. Okay, because without computer mouse, okay, we cannot do many things. Okay, so using computer, so many tasks, that is so many work you need to do. So those things are done with the help of your computer mouse only. So I have taught you. It's help to select, it help to point and select, it help you to draw pictures, it help you to play game. So computer mouse, it help to point, okay, and select. After that, it helps you to draw pictures. Okay, after that, what I have taught you, it helps to play games. Okay, so you see here, you can look here. Okay, so we have learned that computer mouse help us to point and select, okay, the item on the computer monitor. The number 2, to draw pictures and put colors. Okay, so you can enjoy. And number 3, you have learned that play game. So you see these things. Okay, so point and select, this we can do with the help of a computer mouse. Draw pictures we can do with the help of computer mouse. Play games we can do with the help of computer mouse. So you see other many activities are there which we are going to learn in the high classes. Okay, so you see these things are very important, okay, work of a computer mouse. So without computer mouse we cannot do all these kinds of work. Okay, children, so this was the topic that we have discussed in the last week, and I have said you excuse me. Okay, we have discussed that a computer mouse has 3 buttons. Okay, I have told you about left click, right click, and in the center button, that is called scroll wheel. Okay, so you see we have learned about what? Again, once more I'm showing you. Okay, mouse. So you see this is your, okay, this is your right button. Okay, this is your left button, and the middle one, what we have learned? Okay, we have learned scroll wheel. Okay, so you see in the last class we have done that computer mouse help to point and select the items on the computer monitors. It draw pictures, you can put colors, you can play games, and the parts of a computer mouse that we have learned: right button, left button, and scroll wheel. Hope you all have drawn the mouse. Excuse me. Okay, you have done the computer mouse in a computer copy. Okay, now, so we are going to do now to the new topic, page number 30, that is how to hold the mouse. Okay, now you see we are going to talk about how to hold the mouse. Now you see here, we should know how to use the mouse also, children. Okay, we are going to see how to hold the mouse. You see, suppose this is your mouse. Okay, suppose this is your mouse. So when you're holding the mouse, you should know how to hold it properly, not that with all the fingers you'll put on the top. That is the wrong way. So in this topics we are going to learn about how to hold the mouse. Okay, now you see in these pictures they are showing about, once more time I have to draw you. mouse. Okay, computer mouse. Now scroll wheel. Okay, now you see, you can look in your book also, left click, right click. Okay, index finger, you know, this is your index finger, this is your middle finger. Okay, so index finger and middle finger. So what you will do, children, you can look at the, so suppose this is your left click and this is your suppose right click. Okay, so what you are going to do, with index finger you will put your finger on the left, okay, and your middle finger on the right button. Okay, these two button, and rest, okay, your thumb and the other fingers, okay, it should, you should hold the mouse very firmly. Firmly means very lightly, not very hardly. Okay, so you should, so index finger you will put on the left side and your middle finger you will put on, sorry, your index finger you will put on the left side and middle finger you will put on the right side. Okay, so you see, this is your right, this is your left. Okay, now when you're holding, so your finger, look here, your index finger, okay, it should be on the left side and your middle finger should be on the right side, and with these all fingers you will hold the mouse very firmly. This mouse is very big, so okay, so when computer mouse is very small, so you can put two fingers. Index finger you will put on the left side and your middle finger you will put on the right side, and with this other three finger you will hold the mouse very firmly. Okay, slowly you will hold. I've shown you with the help of a duster. This is left, this right. So index on the left, okay, middle finger on the right, and with other fingers you will hold the mouse very firmly. Okay, this is the way how to hold the mouse. So you see, so hold the mouse lightly that your palm rest on it. So you see, when you're holding the mouse, your palm, this is your palm, okay, it should, okay, your palm should rest on it slowly, not that you will hold like this. Okay, it should rest on the top of your mouse. After that, put your index finger, this is your index finger, you will put on the left side, and your, okay, index finger on the left side and your middle finger on the right side, and you will put your palm, okay, you will rest your palm firmly on the computer mouse and you will hold with the other fingers. Okay, so this is the way how you will, okay, hold the mouse very firmly. Okay, now, so when you know how to hold the mouse, in that time you will be able to know how to use the mouse. Okay, so now children, everyone have I think understood how you will hold your mouse. Once I will tell you again. Okay, so you will put your index finger on the left side, middle finger on the right side, and palm firmly on it, and with other finger you will hold the mouse very firmly. Okay, so these two fingers is very important. So in this way you can hold the mouse. Don't put all the finger on the top of the mouse. Okay, then you cannot use the mouse very properly, so it will create a problems. If you go to clicks left, by mistakenly it will click right also. So at that time, whatever work you are doing on a computer, it will show some problem or error. Okay, or you want to open something, it will go to, it will show something, okay, some pop-up message will come out. So that's why you should hold the mouse very properly. Now children, so I hope you have understood. Once more I am saying, so on the left side you will put your index finger, on the right side you will put your middle finger, palm should be rest on the mouse, okay, and with other three fingers you will hold the mouse very firmly. So in this way you can, okay children, you can hold the mouse in a correct way. Okay, so those who have mouse at home, you can try and you can hold and see how it works. Okay, you can try with your geometry box also, those who don't have mouse. Okay, you can like I have. Okay, I have done with the help of duster. So I have put my index finger on the left, okay, and middle finger on the right, and I have hold the Okay, I hold the mouse. So children, so how to hold the mouse we have seen. Now how to use the mouse. Okay, so you can use the mouse by pressing its button. Pressing the button is called clicking. Now you see children, now we are going to see, okay, how to use the mouse. How to use the mouse. Okay, now you see we have learned the importance of mouse. We have learned what we can do with the help of a mouse. We have learned how to hold the mouse. Now we have to learn how to use the mouse. Okay, so you see the mouse by pressing a button. Either you are pressing the left button. Pressing means you will hold with your index finger and click. So when you're clicking, that is called pressing. Okay, so you see when you press the button, that is called, so pressing the button is called what? Clicking. So pressing the button is called clicking. If I say put a go for left click, okay, so you are pressing, you're putting your finger, index finger, and you're pressing, okay, that is called what? Clicking. What is it called, children? Clicking. Okay, suppose this is your mouse and you're holding the mouse in this way, this manner. Now if you are pressing the mouse either left or you're pressing the right, don't press both the key at a time. Either you press left or right, that is called what? Clicking. Okay children, so pressing the button is called what? Clicking. Okay, so what is clicking? Pressing the button either right or left. Okay, left or right, when you're pressing the button, that is called what? Clicking. Okay, now see, there are two type of clicking of mouse, so that is single click and double click. Okay, now we are going to say single click. Single click means one time. Okay, so single click means to press gently and release the left mouse button once without moving the mouse. It is used to select an item of on the monitor. So you see what is single click. Single click means when you're pressing the left mouse button gently, slowly. Gently means don't press very hardly. Okay, just press very softly, not that very softly, just press it. Okay, not very, don't bang on the mouse, so just press gently, okay, on the left mouse button. So that is called what? Single click. Okay, without moving the mouse, don't move the mouse when you are clicking the left mouse button, that is called single click. Okay, so when you will click once, one time only on the left side of a mouse button, that is called what? Single click. And you will not move the mouse, don't move the mouse. Okay, you should not move the mouse. If you move the mouse, then it will be a mistake. And why we use the single click? So single click is used to select an item on the monitor. Suppose you want to select anything. Okay, you want to, suppose in drawing you want to select pencil. Okay, you want to select what do you call, eraser. You want to select the colors. So at that time we may use a single click. Okay, to select anything. Suppose you want to listen a song and the songs are all in a computer. Okay, so one by one you can select. So at that time you have to use a left mouse button. Slowly you will click gently left mouse button once without moving the mouse. Okay, so it is used to select. Okay, it is monitor. Okay, so it will be, okay, so what we can do, we can select, so you see left mouse button, we will click once, slowly we will click once. Okay, when we will click once very firmly, slowly, so that is called your left clicking. And you will not move the mouse. Please don't move the mouse. If you move the mouse, then it may create a problem. And why we use single click? Single click is used for selecting an item on the monitor. Okay, now see, so this was about your single click. Okay, so you see we have talked about how to hold the mouse today. We have talked about how to, what is a clicking. Okay, now we have learned about what is single click. So you see, hold the mouse, I said you children, how you will hold. You will put your index finger, this is your index finger, you will put your index finger on the left, your middle finger on the right, and you will put your palm, this is your palm, on the mouse firmly, and with other three fingers you will hold the mouse Okay, so this is the how you are going to hold the mouse. Okay, and I said what? Pressing it button is called clicking. Okay, pressing it button is called clicking, and single click I said. So on the left side mouse, once if you click gently without moving the mouse, it is called single click, and it is used for selecting an item on the monitor. Okay, so today we are keeping up to here. Next day we will continue. Okay, thank you children.